Okay, hole number 12. A little longer, par 3. Looks like a dog leg. Let's see what we got here. Severe dog leg. So we got a severe dog leg. Tee shots landing in the fairway. Roll 5 yards right for every 10 yards forward. 5 yards. Okay. That's helping us since we're going around the bend. And then the deep bunker, blah, 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 blah. Okay, let's not worry about the green shots till we get up there too. So here at 275 into the break, let's roll for wind. A 12 is no wind. Let's go back to our woods chart. Timmy is a 4, 265 plus 20, 285. So here's the issue. If he would hit it left, he's either going to be going even farther, or he could go, yeah, if he went farther at 270, 270 left 15, and roll a 20. Boom, boom, boom. Well, he could bypass this deep rough, and being in the first cut isn't bad. If he goes right, it's even better. Tee shots laying in the fairway, roll 5 yards right for every 10 yards forward. You know what? Since he predominantly, well, he tends to miss left, but his average is to the right. I'm going to go straight down the chute, 265. Yeah, I'm going to aim straight down the middle with a driver. Oh boy, can you believe this? 32, 24, God. 255, Jesus, right 45. 255, right 45. This is unbelievable. 10, 20, 30, 45. Okay. It's hard to see that, but he's at that crosshatch right there. Roll one die to see which way it ricochets. A 5. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it actually ricochets one to the left here. So he's in the trees at 255, right 35. Now, this is great too, because we can discuss this on the forums. If you look at the, let's see if we go to the front of the green and to the ball. Okay, so you can see the only trees that are in his way is this little stretch right here. Now going this way, I am more than one in, but going this way, I'm not. So I could say that I get the hit from the deep rough. Oh, I'm in deep rough, so it doesn't even matter. I can't work the ball. So I can't really aim or hit around. So I guess all I can do is chip back, because technically I'd be blocked by going out this direction, you know, to the hole. So I'm blocked. God, this is the beauty. Well, I'm just going to be conservative here and chip back. Yeah, I'm not really in the trees. So I'm just going to do a chip. Yeah. Tree chart, tree chart, tree chart. How do you do this? Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to chip from the rough 10, 20, 30, 40. Actually going to go 45 yards and use the short approach chart from the rough to figure out where this lands. I rolled a 13, and an approach is 3 plus 0, right or left 5. So remember, I said I'm aiming here, and then I'm going to go this way to get the right 5. So I'm at now 260, left 5. I will be anxious to hear what folks say of my solution there. And here we go. I'm going to come back to the middle, center line. Now 2 is way over here. I was technically on the left side of the center line, even though, see, this is another one of those things. I'm on the left side of the center line, right? So I got a good angle. Technically, though, on this approach, if you'd, since I'm playing this part of the grid work now, I'm coming into the hole this way. If you take that center line and extend it out, I'm really on the same side of the hole. So you know what? That's how I'm going to play it. I'm going to play it short-sighted. Now, normally, how do you calculate distance? Oh, God. I'm just going to take the easy way out and count along the center line, even though if I had more time, I might say, this is the line I'm on right here, and figure out the distance to the hole. And then I'd also kind of calculate, this is, if I'd move it back to the center line from here for this center line, it'd probably add another 5 yards of flight. Oh, God. Such is life. Okay, let me look at this way. Yeah. So this line here, if I'd come across and pick up this line, that is at, here's 100, here's 100. So let's go over here. 100, 110, 120, 135. So I'm about 135 from here to here. About 135 to here from where this ball lies. I'm going to bring it back. If I would bring it back to this center line, I'd add another 5 yards. So I'm going to play my shot at 140 from wherever, from this spot to here. I'm in the fairway. That's cool. 140. I'm going to look for something around 140, and I'll probably work the ball. 145. Short iron. He's a 3. Okay, here we go. If I did a knockdown, no, right here. Pitching wedge. I don't know. That might be too short. If I do a knockdown, I'm going to do a knockdown. 9 iron, and I can work the ball up to 40 yards. So I'll work the ball 5 yards to the right. How about that? Plan to work it 5 to the right. Okay, 140 to here. That's all we got to remember. 35 yards. The 35 on a roll gives me a 3, which is his average. So it's 145, left 5, and then a roll of 0. So let's go 145. We know that it was 140 to this, so 145. I'm not going to take that left 5 because I got my average. I'm going to try to work the ball 5 right. See what he does here. 53. 53 is a 6. A 6 is no more, no less. So he hit a good, exactly what he did, and there's 0 roll on the green here. So he ends up at 85, 90, 405, 410, right 5. Laying 3 on the green though. He's gonna have a tough par putt. Let's see what we got here. For short approach shots from left, or from left or behind the green while I wasn't there. So there's no modification to putting. So here we got one diagonal, one straight, 20 plus 15, 35 minus, of course, 32 footer. I will play it safe at that distance. 54 is a 33. Let's see, I don't think it's going to be as bad as maybe some of the other ones. Actually, 2 foot. Kind of they reverse the good and bad with that 53 number or 54 number result. So 2 feet. And a 12. So 22. I know that's good from 2 feet. So Timmy gets a bogey. I should have used the momentum there, but my tee shot. Oh yeah, I could have. Okay, so with that birdie on the last hole, he still has a momentum point. I could have used that momentum point to my advantage on this hole, and he won it up in the trees. Bad caddying. That's probably why he's not doing good.